Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining me and welcome. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Diamond Ball Out highlighter, Killawatt, right? So we're going to be creating a look using that and a few other new products that I have on hand. So if you guys would like to see, you know, a look or whatever, please keep watching. Alright you guys, so my eye is already primed. I just used some concealer, set it with a little light powder. Now let's get into this eye. I don't know what that was. I don't know. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be taking the two light brown shades. This look is definitely out of my comfort zone because I love to put like warm colors in my crease. But I feel like putting warm colors with silver is just not the wave. So I'm just going to try, y'all. So I'm just keeping it very neutral. I don't want to go in with anything too warm. So the next shade I'm going to use is that kind of chocolate brown shade, and I'm just going to place that right into my crease. So it's a pretty versatile color, and yeah, it's just deepening up that crease area for me. Okay, so now I'm going to just take that same brown shade on a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just placing this on my outer corner. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of my concealer. I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal and just add a little bit of concealer. But I'm not cutting the crease too like defined. I'm just going to take my synthetic brush and begin to blend some of that concealer upward, just to kind of create a blank canvas for my eyelid. But it's not anything too sharp. Like if you're used to my channel, it's not the normal Sierra cut crease. It's just gonna be, I'm just, you know, adding a little bit so that the colors on my lid pop even more. So next I'm taking the Sigma Smoke Screen eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be taking this charcoal shade and I'm going to begin to pack that on my lid. It's a super pretty color. And then I'm going to actually take a little bit of cinders on my blending brush and I'm going to blend that into my brown. So now for the fun part, you guys, the star of the show, the Fenty Killawatt. Now I'm going to take some on my finger and begin to pack that on. You guys, this shade, this is so pretty. Like, it really has some, what? I can't even talk. It has like really pretty silver reflex. Now I am getting a little bit of fallout. Where's that from? Hold up. Y'all. Come on. Come on, silver. Because I for sure don't wear no silver, y'all. Now I am getting a little bit of fallout. More so on this side. I don't even know why. It ain't nothing not coming in. Alright, so now I'm going to deepen up that outer V. I'm going to take the chocolate brown out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to pack that in the outer V. and kind of overlap some of the silver, just to deepen up that area. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the black from that. And very lightly, because I don't want this to get too crazy now. It can go from zero to a black eye real quick. So we just want to make sure that we just slowly building up that color. Because we do not want no black eyes. I'm going to take that chocolate brown shade and run that underneath my lash line. And then when I get that intensity that I want, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the black and press that really close to my lower lash line, like as close as possible. So next, because I'm not doing the eyeliner, I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and kind of add like a little bit of, like a little shadow to my top lash line. This is like a going out look. Hello. Do we see these eyes though? Come on. Come on, Ree. So for my lashes, I'm going to be taking the Morphe Lashes in Hot Stuff. So I'm going to go put these on and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, now that my lashes are on, and let me just say, this is my first time ever wearing Morphe lashes, and let me just say, honey, I am loving them, okay? Give me drama. Give me volume. Yes. Alright, so for my mascara, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel London Wonderfully Real Mascara. So for my blush, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Peachy Love. And speaking of new makeup, for my highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Topaz. The reason I'm going in with this one is because it's like a nice bronze. It's not too like yellowy, which is perfect because, you know, we have silver going on right now and we don't want nothing too crazy. Too crazy now. Now, I partly somewhat want to put a little bit of this Fenty highlighter, but I'm scared. I'm scared to put it, even though it's meant for highlight, I'm just scared to put it on. I feel like, I don't know. I do feel like I need a little bit of oomph, so we're gonna just take a little bit. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. Just for an extra shine. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Now let's get into my thoughts. Reread, baby. So I'm really liking how this came out. One thing I really like about just this overall look, the Killawatt, is that it got me out of my comfort zone. You guys, I never touch silver, like rarely. If I do, it's because of a video, but yeah, nah, silver's not my jam. Gold, I'm more of a gold girl. I don't even like silver jewelry. So I am really glad that this kind of got me out of my comfort zone a little bit, because it was fun kind of just playing with cool tones. It was hard though, because I really wanted to go in with a warmer tone, you know, in my crease and everything, but I thought that that was not gonna look cute. The texture was super smooth. It blended like a dream. The color payoff, I mean, you guys saw it. The color payoff is A1 for sure. So the Killawatt retails for $34. Now, me personally, I would not pay $34 for this particular one, only because I rarely reach for silver eyeshadows or silver pigments. However, I would definitely look into some other Killawatts because the texture is amazing. The color payoff is A1. The only thing that I didn't really like about it was the fallout. I did get some fallout. I don't know if it was the way, well, I packed it on with my finger, so I don't know, but I do have, this side is pretty shiny. Y'all can't see it, but I can see it. It's a little shiny, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you got a little fallout. I'm laughing at myself because I actually put some on the high points of my face. Now, I would only add just like a little bit if I wanted to be a little extra, but I wouldn't wear this as a highlighter. I would just wear it strictly on my lids or maybe on my lips, but yeah, I'm glad that this got me out of my comfort zone. I love how my look came out. Shout out to my roomie girl. Hey girl, thank you. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys happen to have any of the Killawatts, let me know in the comment section what's your favorite, so I can be able to go and check some out and see which one I would like. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.